The French Revolution was a pivotal moment in world history that reshaped not only France but the entire European continent. This period of radical social and political upheaval lasted from 1789 to 1799 and had far-reaching consequences that continue to influence modern politics and society. The causes of the French Revolution were complex and interconnected. At its core was a deeply unfair social structure known as the Ancien Régime. This system divided French society into three estates: the clergy, the nobility, and the commoners. While the first two estates enjoyed numerous privileges and paid little to no taxes, the third estate, which made up 98% of the population, bore the brunt of taxation and had limited rights. Adding fuel to the fire was a financial crisis. Years of costly wars, including France's involvement in the American Revolution, had left the country deeply in debt. King Louis XVI and his advisors attempted to impose new taxes, but faced resistance from the privileged classes. This financial strain coincided with poor harvests and rising food prices, leading to widespread hunger and discontent among the common people. The Enlightenment ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity also played a crucial role. Philosophers like Voltaire, Rousseau, and Montesquieu challenged traditional authority and inspired people to question the absolute power of the monarchy and the church. The revolution began in earnest on July 14, 1789, with the storming of the Bastille, a medieval fortress and prison that symbolized royal authority. This event marked the beginning of a series of radical changes. The National Assembly abolished feudalism, adopted the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen, and began drafting a new constitution. However, the revolution soon took a more violent turn. The king's attempt to flee Paris in 1791 led to increased radicalization. In 1792, the monarchy was abolished, and France was declared a republic. The following year, Louis XVI was executed for treason. This period, known as the Reign of Terror, saw thousands of people accused of being enemies of the revolution sent to the guillotine. The Committee of Public Safety, led by Maximilien Robespierre, oversaw this campaign of violence and repression. As the revolution progressed, France found itself at war with much of Europe. The revolutionary armies, motivated by patriotic fervor and new tactics, achieved several surprising victories against the monarchies of Europe. These wars would continue for years, reshaping the map of Europe. It was in this context of war and political instability that a young military officer named Napoleon Bonaparte rose to prominence. Napoleon's military genius brought him fame and power, particularly after his successful Italian campaign in 1796 and 1797. In 1799, Napoleon staged a coup d'état, effectively ending the revolutionary period and establishing himself as first consul. He would later crown himself Emperor of the French in 1804, ushering in a new era of French dominance in Europe. The French Revolution had profound and lasting effects. It ended absolute monarchy in France, established a republic, catalyzed the rise of nationalism and liberalism, and exported the revolutionary ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity across Europe. While its immediate aftermath was marked by the Napoleonic Wars, its long-term legacy includes the modern concept of citizenship, the metric system, and the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen, which foreshadowed the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The French Revolution remains a testament to the power of ideas and the ability of people to reshape their society, even in the face of entrenched power structures. Its echoes continue to resonate in political debates and social movements around the world to this day.